So I made quite some progress in KuFlex VCS. Now we are able to load any comments that we want to. So let's start off by creating an initial repository. This is going to be our project directory, and we just have file1.txt, and this is what it looks like. It just has initial as its content. So let's initialize our repository and call it kuku, and we have our files just like the previous one, which is good. So let's make some changes to the file. This is the first change that we are making. Okay, so let's comment this. Let's first comment, and if we press enter right now, we have a new comment, and this is the ID of the comment. So let's go back to our directory and let's open up the diffs. Let's format this a little bit better, and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty good, I would say. This is our initial div, and this is our div that we just created right now, and this is the content. So pretty good. Let's also make another change. So I was wondering how your day went. Let's save this, and let's also make some changes. First, let's call this second change. Let's make a new comment. Second comment. So we all made our second comment, and let's check out our second comment right now. Yeah, so this is our second comment. As you can see, the div data is correct, and everything looks pretty good to me. Let's create a new comment and add a new file. Sorry, let's create a new folder, to be honest. New folder, and it's gonna be C. Inside C, we're gonna have a new file. Okay, we forgot to name this. Some file is finally created. Okay, some file is finally created. Let's close this. So let's create a new comment, and we also gonna change third. Your night went. Okay, so this is gonna be our third comment. We have a new file, and we made some changes to file1.txt as well. So let's see how things go. Okay, let's create, and let's call this third comment. Okay, let's see. Let's check out KuFlex diffs. Yay, we have two diffs now. Let's check out the new div. Okay, so this is the file for the new one, and its div is the content from that specific file. Correct. And this is the initial div because this is its initial creation. This file did not exist previously. So let's also check our file1.txt, and it looks pretty good to me. This is the second change, and everything is right there. Okay, that is good. So let's try to load the initial comment. When we load the initial comment, this folder and the file inside this folder should disappear, and the contents inside file1.txt should change as well. So let's do that. Let's select 3 and press enter. And okay, the folder is empty. That is good. The folder did not get deleted. I'll fix that. It's not a big issue, but let's check out file.txt. Yay, as you can see, file.txt, the contents of file.txt is back to what it was originally, which is initial. That's great. Everything's working perfectly. So let's try to load the latest comment, which was this. This was the latest comment. So I'm gonna copy this comment ID, and I'm gonna select 5, and I'm gonna type in that specific ID, and voila. Let's see the contents of file1.txt. Amazing, we got back what we originally had in the latest comment. And if we go to c.txt, we have this file as well, which is amazing. This is exactly what we needed. So yeah, we made quite some progress in our KuFlex VCS. There are some bugs that I have to fix. For example, this space right here, this space shouldn't exist. This didn't exist, but after we go through the diff algorithm, there is a space, and I don't really know why it does that. I'll have to check that out. And the second bug that I noticed right now while demonstrating this project is that the folder is not deleted when we load the diffs. Different commits. Let's try to load our second commit. If we load our second commit, let's see what happens. This one should be empty. Yes, because the second commit, this file did not exist. And if you open up file, this is the second change. I was wondering how your day went. Yeah, everything is working perfectly.